All right, you ready?
A hurricane fish. A hurricane fish. A hurricane fish.
All right, Daddy's gonna cast it out, and remember, we don't run back. You just watch Daddy pull back,
Okay.
and go hi-ya. Well, we got a piece of mucky muck there.
Yucky muck?
Yucky muck.
Why?
Look, Daddy cast it right into the yucky muck. That's silly, Daddy.
Daddy, drink some water.
Okay, I certainly will. Ready? Here you go, kid.
Yes, sir.
Now watch your bobber. Now, if you remember, if it goes back, hi-ya.
Is it trying to sink?
Yeah, that bluegill's smelling it though. He's seeing if it's any good. He's thinking about it. No. And we'll give it just a few more moments. Oh, someone's coming back to see it. No, I thought about it, but it looks too... Oh, maybe I'm coming to come back.
Oh. Is it sinking?
Yeah. Now just reel it in gently. Can you reel it in, honey? Just very gently, though. Good job, kid. Excellent. Good job. Look at her go. Okay, nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bar it real fast. I'm going to try to hide the hook better.
Daddy, I love fishing with you.
Oh, thank you very much. I love fishing with you.
Daddy, you might have a picture show us about
Yes, I do.
the fire landed on. Daddy, I'm going to take off my hoodie.
Yeah, please. Go ahead and throw that hood off. Yep.
That feels better.
That feels a little better.
Daddy, are you ready for me?
Yes, I am.
Give it to me? Let me give it.
Oh, man. Yeah, he bit it right there. See? He's thinking about it. Hi-ya. Hi-ya.
Hey.
Yeah. Nope. We missed it. He didn't quite bite it yet. That's okay. We'll straighten this out. Give you a little slack.
Can I reel it in?
Not yet. See? Do you see the fish following it? Ooh, he thought, oh, he took a nibble at it.
Can I reel it in?
Not yet. Hi-ya! Hi-ya!
Hi-ya!
Did you get him? Nope. Hi-ya! Hi-ya!
Hi-ya!
Hi-ya! Reel him in, kid. Reel him in. You got him. You got him, sweetheart. Bring him on in, honey. Go. Nope. Reel, reel. Reel. You got it, kid. There you go. Nice. Okay.
Aww.
Thank you.
Aw, it's a little baby fish.
It is a little baby fish, huh?
Can I touch the little baby?
Yeah, absolutely. Go ahead, honey.
Aw, little baby.
You want to touch him? Here, you want to hold him?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if he kicks out, he's going to go back in the water. Hold on tight. Both hands. Whoop! There he goes. That's all right.
He flipped out.
Yeah, Emelina, nice job. Little green sunfish Emelina caught.
Can I put it in?
Yeah, you want to put him in the water? Go ahead and toss him in. Nice work.
Daddy, can I catch another one?
Yeah.